About consolidation.
As a member of the Operational Air Force, you will be expected to responsibly utilize Air Force resources by operating and maintaining government systems, equipment, and supplies.
One way traffic managers do this in the outbound cargo movement element is by creating consolidations of qualifying assets being shipped to the same location.
To accomplish this, you'll need to take the following steps.
Before the start of any packing and crating procedure, ensure the proper personal protective equipment, also known as PPE, is being used. All cargo movement personnel working in the warehouse must wear safety toe boots. Gloves and eye protection must be accessible at all times and be used when required. If you find that your PPE is not in the condition suitable enough to provide the protection required or is not serviceable, it must be replaced. Notify your supervisor when PPE is not available or serviceable.
The first step in consolidating is preparing the area. Clear the area of all unnecessary items. Whether you are shipping the items in a container, such as tri-wall boxes, or you are using wooden skids for heavier items, it is important to identify the shipping location to prevent confusion and wrong assignment of items to a consolidation. Also, identify an area where you will place non-qualifying items that need to be shipped individually.
Next, you will check whether or not the asset qualifies to be sent in a consolidation by reviewing the shipping documentation and serviceable and unserviceable tags. For single items to qualify to be shipped in a consolidation, the following rules apply. First, check the ultimate consignee. All items must be going to the same DODEC address. Second, check compatibility. Serviceable items must not be packed with unserviceable items. Hazardous materials and classified cargo cannot be packed with general cargo. Lastly, group cargo that have the same TAC codes, priority codes, and project codes.
Next, sort your items into groups. All single items must be packed before including it in the consolidation container or skid. Ensure that each individual item has its own shipping documents affixed to the item or placed inside the inner container.
Now that you have prepped your area, reviewed and verified the documentation, packed and sorted your single items, it is time to pack your consolidation. When using wooden skids, ensure that you place the heavier items in the bottom of the consolidation.
Have you ever played a game of Tetris? Well, packing a consolidation is similar to this. You must carefully place each piece depending on its shape and size to contour with the outline of the skid or container while simultaneously distributing the weight evenly.
Proceed to secure your consolidation by blocking and bracing the items with the relevant materials, such as foam, packing paper, banding, and shrink wrap. This will prevent shifting and possible damage to the shipment during transit.
Once packed and secured, affix the multi-pack marking to the outside of the shipment, which indicates that the shipment has multiple pieces.
Your shipment is now ready for the shipment planning process.
This concludes the basics of consolidations. I'm A1C Emily Duggar.
And I'm Senior Airman Austin Horsting. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you as a traffic manager in the operational U.S. Air Force.
And remember, it just won't go
without TMO.